Today's outfit check. I have my staple theater getup. This is the black onesies, and then baby doll shoes, and I'm wearing earrings and a simple makeup. This is for Delia D later, but I'm putting it on now because I don't have a place to change now. I'm checking out of the hotel already. So that's the outfit. So it's past 2 p.m. and this is just lunch. I'm in a restaurant that serves Japanese and Korean fusion. I have given tea. Lang nasa table ko. Gyoza has arrived, 5-piece gyoza. I got their set B, which is pork stir fry. And silang kamote and kimchi and rice. Also, they have 2 kinds of soup. This also see what this is. I'm gonna watch that today. We're going to 3rd floor. That's where the Newport Performing Arts Theater is. I'm not exactly sure if I've been here before. Ang ganda oh, this paper flowers. Parang ayoko na mag-milk tea for a while. We're back to regular programming. Kasi ang dami natin milk tea guys sa Taiwan. Yeah, I think I've been here before, maybe 2 to 3 times. Meron lang akong storage sa airport. I would have brought my luggage na lang and then just cross the airport later, pero wala. So balik tayo, hop in later, then taxi ulit. That's okay. A little theater to cure my soul. Last time I was here pala was also to watch a play. I was with Ron and Pat. There's Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill over here. And look at that decor. And we're here for Delia D. I'm one of the few people who came inside very early. Since hindi pa nagsa-start, pwede ba tayo mag-video? Kasi bawal na mamaya. The audience are coming in. Ang daming naka-drag.
Maraming salamat po. Nakita niyo naman kung gaano kahirap gawin yung Delia D sa napakalaking stage at sa napakalaking capacity. It's always a challenge. But thank you guys. Thank you for your presence, your support, na palagi po kayo andito. Andito po kayo ng El Bimbo, andito po kayo ng Burugudoy Sinsugudoy Stoy, at ngayon andito po kayo for Delia D. It makes everything all worth it. Thank you for believing in Filipino artists. Thank you for believing in Philippine theater. Buhay na buhay po ang Philippine theater. So wag na wag po tayo magsawa. Please support Philippine theater. Ang buhay ni Delia ay napakahirap, pero allow me to acknowledge the members of the creative team who are here today. This is a work of love, of passion, and tireless work. So let me begin with, of course, our conductor, Mickey Jacinto, and the Manila Philharmonic Orchestra, our sound effects designer, Arvin Makulangan, our makeup designer, Mama Ray de la Cruz, our hair designer, Johan de la Puente, our costume designer, Mitoy Santa Ana, our video designers, Joyce Garcia and Jill Calvarne, our light designer, John Batalha, our scenic designer, Larry Cruz, our choreographer, Steven Viñas, our dramaturg, Rodi Vera, our music director and arranger, Vince Lim, our playwright, Dali Tulu. Let me call in our artistic director, Michael Williams, with co-artistic director and our associate director, Michael Williams and Mench Wilauchenko Jr. And ladies and gentlemen, without him, wala pong Delia D. Ladies and gentlemen, our composer, Jonathan Manalo!
Thank you, Direct Dexter. Grabe, isang masigabong palakpakan sa lahat ng cast at lahat ng creatives behind Delia D. Isa pong musical na inihandog namin sa inyo tonight, and maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nandito para sumuporta. Again, congratulations sa lahat ng behind ng creatives ng Delia D, sa Newport World Resorts Musicals. Palakpakan natin sila dahil sa pagsuporta nila sa locally made Filipino musicals na pwede tayong maging proud sa buong mundo. Isang palakpakan sa NWR Musicals. And of course, I'd also like to thank lahat ng mga friends na nandito, especially mga kaibigan ko sa industriya. Kasama ko sa ABS-CBN. at ABS-CBN Music. Alam niyo po, ako po ay produkto ng ABS-CBN. Ako po ay naging winner ng 2001, Himig Handog sa mga bagong kabataan. At doon ko na panalunan yung Taratena. At mula po noon, hindi na ako iniwanan ng ABS. They've promoted, they've made my songs famous, at I will always be indebted and grateful for ABS-CBN. Salamat, Tita Cory, Direk Loren, nakasama ko sa mga lahat ng PBB songs na ginawa namin together. Vice, thank you for being here. I love you. Siyempre, Rampa, Buntanes, Huwag Kang Pabebe. At marami pa kaming tinarabaho ni Vice together. Siyempre, ang aking big boss sa ABS-CBN Music, si Sir Roxy Likigan. Sir Roxy, I will forever be grateful for you. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta. At kasama natin sa audience, ang ilan sa mga kumanta ng mga awit na narinig ninyo. Si Eric Santos, Pabigyan Muli. Si Kyla, For Beautiful Days. I know Shireen and of course Morissette are both here. Gusto ko na lumitaw. Laika is also here dun sa napakagandang closing song, yung Hawak Mo. Thank you, Laika. And of course, marami pa ako mga artists na nakasama dito na kinantayan mga awitin at binigyang buhay ngayong gabi sa musical ni Delia D. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan Direk Dexter, Menchu, Michael, Maro, Joanna, everyone sa Newport World Resorts. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng kaibigan kong nandito. Hindi ko na mabanggit isa-isa, pero mahal na mahal ko kayo. At maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang teatrong Pilipino! Marami pong salamat.
Amo lang na. Okay, thanks, bye.